Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair has remained muted in the last session. The Williams indicator remains in oversold territory. Bitcoin has added 3.6% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator moved sharply into the negative zone. The price of gold has traded sideways in the last session. Stochastic remains in positive territory. The price of crude oil has remained muted in the last session. The RSI remains overbought.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Iraq is in advanced talks with state-run Chinese companies to discuss building crude oil storage facilities in China as part of a plan to boost oil sales to Asia. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson hailed a significant milestone as data showed 15 million first doses of COVID-19 vaccinations had been delivered, fueling calls for the government to start relaxing lockdown measures. London is dominating the EU with almost half of the world's global currency trading taking place in the city, quelling fears that the square mile could suffer as a consequence of Brexit.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting will be released at 0000 GMT, the Eurozone's trade balance at 1000 GMT, the Eurozone's industrial production at 1000 GMT. The UK's Rightmove House Price Index will be released at 001 GMT, Japan's industrial production at 430 GMT, Japan's capacity utilization at 430 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.